So one day I was searching something on Google. Sounds familiar? If it does, today I'm going to show you how you can make your own search engine. So you'll need some things to pull this off. You'll need a PC, Windows, Linux or Mac, Python 3 installed on that system, some experience in Python programming. Just know how to do loops and stuff, and some Brian. So after you've installed it, you have to open the CMD64 on Windows or Terminal in Mac, then type these commands for Windows, for Mac, and Linux. Then when these two commands are done running, just close it and open idle. Then type this program. Just stop the video here and write the program and save the .py file. You done? Good. Now I'll explain the code. So in the first two lines, we import the stuff we need for accessing the web and things. Then we get what we want to search. And then we get the web page result. Here I applied my 1 million IQ brain and just
my 1 million IQ brain and
Then we get the things in the web page and make it in the form of LXML. Then we find all the p tags and print it all using a for loop. And that's it. Now you have your own web scrapper. That's right, you just got capped. JK. If you can solve this equation, then you have to subscribe and like this video and comment what you want to see next. Peace.